Hello and Assalamu alaikum all my lovely doctors. So this video is all about how to prepare for Plab 1. So if you're really busy, if you're a mother of 2, 3 whatsoever children, or you're a really busy doctor who's working and wants to prepare for Plab 1, so I'll tell you my experience because I have a really busy social life, and also I have 3 children. So looking after at the same time, start and preparing for Plab 1, how I went about it, I'll tell you. So first of all, I would want to share my resources of preparation. So I started my preparation with the Plabable. I had done my Plabable in roughly 1 to 1.5 month. So I graduated in 2011, which was quite a gap for me. So it took me about, it might not, if you have a lot of time, it might not take you too long, but it took me about 1.5 months doing Plabable. And then to have a quick revision, actually a friend recommended Swami short course for Plab 1. Which was actually really helpful for especially a person like me, for whom doing a quick revision would have not been possible around children. So that was really helpful. Also I took Swami's mocks. Then my third resource was this short document from Plab Facebook group, which says quick revision for Plab 1, and it has all the short points that you need to remember. I actually, the first day I kind of got a hard copy of it and I started reading it. I did not understand anything because I didn't know what was going on about. But then when I did the whole Plabable, and then then I knew that so the whole topic, you just need to remember the short points, the main points of any topic, and then you remember. And trust me, Plab 1 is very much about clinchers. So if you know the clinchers, many of us might not agree with me that Plab 1 is not about clinchers anymore, but still, if you know the clinchers, you can do about 50% of the exam. So this time exam was considered to be really difficult. Actually, even I found it really difficult, but if you're busy and you have very limited time, if you have these 3 sources to study, you can still be okay. And also let me tell you this, that I could not study every single day. So if I count my whole duration of study, I started studying beginning of January. So you can say roughly 2.5 months. But January I did not study every day, but February I became really dedicated, and I studied from February onwards until March 19th. I studied about 5 to 7 hours a day, and it was not even possible for me to manage 5 to 7 hours. If you doctors or mothers with kids would like to know my whole story in a detail, that how I used to manage my time around children and a busy social life, please let me know, and then I will explain the whole thing, because everybody might not be interested in knowing that. So basically, just remember, if you have less time, 3 main resources that I used for studying for Plab 1 was Plabable, and Swami short course with mocks, and those quick revision notes from Facebook group. That's all. Thank you. And